So yeah, someone emailed me online, said they were having problems with the metric converter that I wrote a long time ago in Python. That's because they were using Python 3. The old one was for Python 2. It was probably just the print statement because you have to trade out your print statement to do parentheses now. Like you can't just use quotes or double quotes and express it with a space. The syntax is different. But anyways, so this convert metric function I wrote takes from and to metric arguments. These are these initial strings, the prefix strings. So it has this metric exponents dictionary that converts those prefixes into exponent values. Essentially how the algorithm works, which I don't even know if I want to consider an algorithm because it's just taking a delta of the exponents. But essentially what happens is you take this dictionary and then you take the input from metric value, which could be mega or kilo. It'll convert that into the from unit value. Then after that, metric exponents, you then plug in your to metric value, which could be like kilo, and that will populate these two variables. And then you subtract the from unit value and the to unit value, and you get this exponent delta. And then it returns the exponent delta. So I have this format control string that shows the initial units that are shown, and then the from metric value, and then the initial units because that never changes. And then it runs that convert metric method, and then uses the from metric and to metric that are inputted right here. And then finally it splits out the to metric value in the format control string. So I'm going to run this here. We're going to say 5. We're going to convert mega to kilo. And you can see that 5 mega equals 5 times 10 to the third kilo. So if you wanted to say like megameters to kilometers, that'd work. You have more metrics than that in the standard metric units, but these are the standard prefixes. So I'll do it backwards too. So we'll say 5 kilo to m, and you get 5 kilometers to 5 times 10 to the negative third megameters, and you can see that works fine. So I hope this video helped out, and continue programming, working on physics or chemistry or whatever you're taking. One thing I advise you is before you start using this shortcut is to learn to fully qualify the conversion factors out. I had a problem in high school with that, and I really struggled. But in college, I had a really good textbook that showed me how to do it. Yeah, so before you start doing shortcuts, make sure that you learn how they're teaching it in class. Anyways, take care. Bye.